Hi, I'm Michael, your handyman, and back for another quick segment. On today's segment, we're in the business district putting up signage for a business, a chair and table business. Let's get on that now. Let's show you that. Okay, first we're going to start with our base. This is the stake that will go into the ground, and the signage will go on top. And as you can see, it has an articulating spindle, which will allow the sign to spin in the wind. Let's show you that now. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna place our spike right here. And we're gonna hammer that in. Let's get that done now. Okay, pretty much got it in. Now let's go get our sign. Okay, we got our sign. Putting in our sign in place. Sliding it down. Okay. Now as you can see, our sign is up right and tall, say 20 feet that it stands, and it can be seen from a great distance. Now let's get our other sign up. We have another sign that we're going to hang up. Let's do that now. Now as you can see, our sign comes disassembled, of course. This would be the signage here. And these are the posts that will go together. This is the bottom bracket that will hold the flag. We're going to get that into the ground now. Okay, we just about have our stake in the ground. We're going to hammer that down just a little more. Now let's get that done. So as you can see, we hammer our spike into the ground as such. Now let's get our signage together. Okay, let's get our pipe in, our first tube in into the base and push that down. Now that's gonna hold through compression. Now we have our other part. Now we have our other part of our arm, if you will, assembled on the grass, if you can see that. Basically a tubular pipe or tube, excuse me. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and attach the signage to that tubular pipe. Let's do that now. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our top piece on and hang our signage. Let's do that now. We're gonna take that up. Okay, now what we're gonna do is secure our signage with our line. Let's do that now. Now, as you can see, both of our signs are just flapping in the wind. Perfect signage. Come on in and get those tables and chairs. Don't act like you don't have a party to go to. Okay, we have a nice Detroit sunny day. Again, we're in front of our Detroit friendly neighbors chair and rental business. We just got finished hanging up signage. And let's show you that signage again in the wind. Okay, again, we got nice sunshine. We got our flags flapping in the wind. Come on down, get you a chair rental, table, You know, you have a party, birthday, engagement. Come on down, Detroiters. Let's help our friendly neighbors. All right, with that being said, I'm Michael, your handyman. Please hit that like and subscribe if you like to continue to see this type of content brought to you. And as always, be safe and think safe. I'm Michael, your handyman. See you on the next job. Talk to you later.